Hi all, so I've got a Nissan Qashqai J10 which has just about going to MOT, and it's got a blocked washer jet. So what I've had to do to try to unblock it is quite simple. I'll just quickly talk you through it. Let's get the camera ready. So this container here needs to come off. It just unclips. Over here, just use a screwdriver, lift that off, it comes through and the water jet is there. When you see the water jet is attached onto the water jet pipe, you want to disconnect it. What I use is one of these tool timkers, slide it in and just push it down, and I just slides the plastic tubing away from the water jet. So now you separated the water jet. All you need to do is clean out the water jet. So what I did was, before I do that, what I do is I start the engine off and put the water, apply the water jets on. There should be a stream of liquid coming out through this pipe here. Okay, if there's liquid coming through, then no problems, no issues. You just need to clean the water jets. So how do you clean the water jets? Well, you can try with a pin. The problem that I found was it was filled with little tiny bits of gravel, so I made something with compressed air just to force the gravel up to the top where I could flick it out of the pin. I'll just quickly show you what I did. Essentially what you're doing is you're just attaching an air blowing component onto this aspect, blow it through, but instead what I did was I attached the tube onto there, attached the water jet onto here, turn the compressed air on, attach the water jet onto here, turn the compressed air on, and used a fine needle just to flick out all the bits of stones that came through. Now I'm just going to go back to the car and I'll just show you the result. So these are the one blocked water jet, the one closest to me, and there's the result, as good as new. The other option, of course, is just to pop it out and just go and pop a new one in. Time wise, it took me 15 minutes to get that all cleaned up, make that little compressed air tubing. Yeah, so it gives you options. I hope that helps. If you liked it, please hit subscribe. Thank you so much.